everyone, and welcome back to my studio. Hope you're ready for some fun. So we're going to play with some more clay, and we're going to start with this is terracotta color. I've got some gold, and this is some leftover, which is a mix of bronze and sunshine yellow clay with a little rose gold foil in it. And then this was pearl clay with some silk white mica powder put on it, and this was, I think, navy. Yes, this was navy clay, and this had Carolina blue mica powder put on it. So that's some leftovers. I've got some fun glitter here called apple, and it's got all these different lovely fall shades in it. And then again, I've got my well, you know what? I'm going to switch this from touch of neon to touch of gold. Hold on. I'll get the gold one because, you know, that'd go better. So we get a little glitter in here. Why not? All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with our piece of terracotta, and we're going to rip up some things and add some glitters and add some fun stuff. And we're just going to sort of go a little crazed here and see what happens. And in this case, what I'm trying to do is push this in a good bit because I want it to sort of merge in with the terracotta and not make the terracotta just the back, but actually sort of blend this all in together. So I want some of the terracotta alone still, you know, sort of showing. I'm going to put away my leftovers. I'm going to take all these pieces up to bake, and then we'll be back. Okay, these are all now baked, and we're going to add our UV resin.
Crazy place sometimes. Know that I am here beside you. We can leave tonight, leave it all behind. If the end is near, just know that I got you. I'm your armor when things get tough. No, I got you back. Your battles are mine too. I'll fight for you when things get hard. Lay it all on me when you're not strong enough to carry on. Baby, you should know I got you. Baby, you should know I got you. You should know. Baby, you should know I got you. 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 Got you. Baby, you should know I got you. Let's get some sun, baby, it's time to go. All we need to put on is the radio. I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. Oh, no, we run the show. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Got to live or we get too old. Come on, shine, shine a little tonight. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Ain't no limit when we go for gold. We can shine, shine a little tonight. Shine a little tonight. Shine a little Let's hit the club, time to make a move. Make a move. We got it late, ain't got nothing to prove. Nothing to prove. I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. Oh, no, we run the show. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Got to live or we get too old. Come on, shine, shine a little tonight. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Ain't no limit when we go for gold. We can shine, shine a little tonight. Shine a little tonight. Shine a little tonight. Oh, shine a little tonight. Oh yeah, we can shine, shine a little tonight.
All right, we're going to put these under the light, and then we'll be back. Okay. These are all done getting some UV resin put on them. I'm going to give you a quick look at them, and then I'm going to take them and put all the findings on, and then we'll have some final results. Okay, we have the final results. Put them on some boards to make it a little easier to see them. Now, 2 of the sets of earrings I did make studs instead of dangles. And then these guys over here, sort of the bright gold, have the antique gold. Look. So I think they came out sort of pretty. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload more videos. Now this is part of Friday with Friends, so please go down to the description box and look for all the links. And I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.